I'm here with Richard Liu. He is the leader of Chinese movement, and he's going to talk about a new law that has just been introduced in China, and which is very anti-democratic, and it will affect a lot of people who are not Chinese.
Yes, hello everyone. My name is Richard Liu. I'm from the Western Australian Association for Pan-Asian Democracy. Uh, as you know, that in recent days, specific, the 1st of July, a law has been enacted in China. That the name of the law is a National Unity Law. Uh, what the Chinese government published in this law is quite concerning. So today I'm going to discuss with Matt about the details in this law.
Yes. So, what are the effects for Chinese who are just ethnically Chinese? For example, we have foreign minister in Australia who is Chinese background. Well, obviously, she's an Australian citizen. What could happen theoretically if she went to China and there was some disagreement with the People's Republic of China?
I think for the diplomats that are visiting each other, they have the criminal immunity. They wouldn't happen much to the top level of government officials like the prime minister and the foreign minister. But what is more concerning about the ordinary Chinese citizen, the most concerned is ordinary Chinese citizen in Australia, as well as the local Australian citizens doing activists in Australian territory. What is most concerning about this law is that the law does not only cover Chinese citizens, it covers everyone. Even you, no matter you are a US citizen, and no matter you're a European Union country citizen or an Australian citizen, no matter where you're doing your things in other countries other than China, like the US, Europe, Australia, or Japan, as long as the Chinese government thinks you are doing against this law, you are put on a blacklist. You have the chance of being potentially arrested and extradited to China for trial under this new law.
So, do you think that this law, being based on race and not on citizenship, is it a racist law?
It is not only a racist law. They try to cover all the people on Earth. That is what trying to do.
So is it a sign of the will of the communist China willing to dominate the world or something like that, or
Correct.
control it?
Correct. And that's what it says. Uh, because in the Code 16 it says whether you are a foreign citizen, as long as the government thinks you are breaking this law, you are breaking the Chinese unity, whether you are supporting the Tibetan independence, the East Turkestan independence, or Taiwan independence, they think they have the chance to think that you are breaking this law, and breaking this law and can be charged even when you are absent, not inside China.
Yeah. And it's good to remember that Taiwan is an independent country and Tibet was invaded. Do you have any words about this fact?
Yes, of
Because
course.
most people wouldn't know maybe about Tibet.
I think Taiwan, whether we call it the Republic of China or Taiwan, it is an independent and sovereign country. No matter what you call it, they have their own government, they have their own law, they have their own military troops, and as everyone know, before 1949, the Chinese government was the ROC government. What happened was the Chinese Communist Party, they sought independence from the ROC and set up a new regime called the People's Republic of China.
Yeah.
It has been the Republic of China, which as you may call it Taiwan, it has existed for more period of time than China.
All right. So what is your last thought today about this new law? What should happen?
I think definitely this law try to punish the people who are merely exercising their basic freedom and democracy in a free world. What we should do is very concerned about this law. I think for the foreign minister and the government should, of course, raise concern with Chinese Communist government. And what we Australian government and other democratic countries should do is probably raise a travel warning to China. And we don't know whether you pass the activism, may be charged on this law or not. And this is quite a dangerous and concerning situation for everyone.
Okay, I think a travel warning would be the minimum and it should be done. I thank you,
Thank you,
Richard Liu,
everyone.
for this interview.